another Bastard Mugen match. We have Arsene versus Kai Harn, and we're taking it to a Crystal Palace. So we're now taking it out in the Castle of the Crystal. The battle begins right about now. Arsene versus Kai Harn.
Cercherà di ostacolare i miei piani, verrà distrutto. Senza i tuoi incantesimi non rappresenti più una minaccia per la sacra spada del fulmine.
Arsene knew what she was doing. She wasn't gonna take no last hits. More Mugen and other episodes and other videos coming soon to you.